Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see a quick and easy chicken gravy recipe made without frying the ingredients. For this recipe, I've taken 750 grams of chicken cut into small pieces, 1 large onion chopped, 3 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, chili powder 1.5 tablespoons, coriander powder 1.5 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons oil and salt as needed. Let's add the chicken to a pan. I'm going to add all the other ingredients to this. Add 3 tablespoons of oil and salt as needed. Once we are done adding all the ingredients, let's mix this well. If you want the chicken gravy to be spicy, you can always add more chili powder. I'm going to add about 1 cup of water to this. Cover the pan and cook on medium flame. We need to cook this until the chicken becomes soft. At this stage, we can keep mixing for a minute and cover it and cook for another 1 minute. This is done. I'm going to add some dry fenugreek leaves. This is a very quick and easy chicken gravy recipe. We can eat this with rice or roti. We can even make this in a pressure cooker. So try this recipe, post your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.